on these for a while. How's it going, Jason?
Good, how are you?
Fantastic.
So what are you working on?
I'm working on a Humvee.
So who are you and what do you do?
My name is Dylan. I'm 21. No, I'm just kidding. I'm a TIG welder. I do all the aluminum stuff and stainless. Fabricate. That's pretty much it.
Nice.
Just build stuff.
Why don't you show us a little bit of what you're doing?
Okay. Fabricated this piece a couple days ago. Just a couple tweaks that need to be done to it. I'm gonna weld this seam up, take it back out of the truck, clean up my surfaces, prep for welding.
Looking good.
Thanks. Welded, riveted, and then weather sealant. It was a slant back like this. It was the same design, but I think it was in military use. This tunnel went all the way across. Yeah, a Humvee.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
I'm still learning all the terminology. Yeah.
What about this piece? Where's this piece? Right here.
Non-existent.
You still haven't started on it yet? You told me you were going to get started on it first thing in the morning.
Well, I had to redo this one, so.
So what we got going on with this thing, Wilson?
6-pack, stretch seating, aluminum top, aluminum slant back. I would not have recommended we do all this work on this truck because it was so customized before. It had a Cummins conversion on there. We went with a Duramax conversion. He had a massive lift on it. We got rid of the lift. Oh, he's got these little pods here. We're gonna cut these off, get rid of those. I don't know how that's gonna go. It's gonna be a lot of work to remove those. I think they riveted it on, and then there's like body seam sealer. You can see a line right here, a body seam sealer. So I think we should be able to cut it, take out all the rivets, drop it out of there, and then I think we'll be good. I'm hoping. And then paint work, 6-passenger seating, stretch seating. So that's a huge thing. We bring the seats from the original location, like the wall right here, I call it.
Do you know what you're talking about?
No, it's a long.
Maybe you should ask the master fabricator in here.
Front part of the wheel well.
Yeah. See? It's a team, teamwork here.
Actually, Dylan's been very educational on his first time appearing on the vlog.
Rad. No, this is your first time on the vlog?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Little stuff here.
So you broke free from the slow-mo shots.
Yeah.
Congrats.
I'm in full motion now.
Original wheel well comes across right about here, right? Now we're moving that all the way back to here. Right here, there, to here. About 8 inches of extra room. Front edge of the seat's about here. 2 additional seats here. Yeah. Jason, damn it. You just like, you work with this guy and then all of a sudden you turn around and the camera's right there.
Don't you have somewhere to be now?
Yeah, I gotta go.
Yeah. Can you leave me alone now?
Thank you. Good luck, Dylan.
Will be needed.
There is hazard pay working with this guy. So just hit up Ireland, get paid extra, just having to deal with this guy.
Just at the end of the day or something?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
She'll cash out.
Nice.
It's the whole package. It's a mustache. It's not just one thing, you know? It's the mannerisms.
Right before showtime, putting back the moonshine, doing what we came to do. Living like cowboys on the run. Never stop chasing that setting sun. Riding like a renegade rodeo. Bucking like a bronco. At the Wild West, show me that you came to fly. Yeah, we're gonna party like we're never gonna die. Ocean rowdy redneck sons of guns. Living like cowboys, cowboys on the run.
Just finalizing like all the welding before I get to the riveting section. A lot of these plates right here, these guys, put a couple here and here. It's just an extra layer of strength. Welding by itself is perfectly fine, but it's always nice to have a little something.
I beat a backwoods chilling on a mountain high. Fish fry, fast slice of American pie. Too fly for the fakes, too sly for the suckers. I roll with rednecks and big gas guzzlers. And motherfuckers can't fade the rock. Cause my team's supreme with 17 shot blocks. Flip the script because it gets not getting hard hitting shots. Sit because you know we're living like cowboys on the run. Never stop chasing that setting sun. Riding like a renegade rodeo. Bucking like a bronco. At the Wild West, show me that you came to fly. Yeah, we're gonna party like we're never gonna die. Bunch of rowdy redneck sons of guns. Living like cowboys.
starts like as a big piece, and then all these little pieces around here will be the tabs and stuff that I weld in so that we can rivet it. So it'll get cleaned and then it'll get bent.
Okay.
And then I'll do the welding I can do on the table. I was gonna start on this and have both of them, and then tomorrow weld them both up, but I figure that one's almost done. I'll just do that one and then I'll save a whole nother one for a while.
Feel like I'm sleepwalking in your What a shame, what a shame, what a shame. It's all fun and games till you don't wanna play now. Run away, run away, run away. It's easy to say, but it's harder to say now. You're on to something else. I'm a picture left on your shelf. The dream's a lie, I tell myself. Feel like I'm sleepwalking when you're gone.
Biggest panel that sits in the middle. I just got one more bend to do, and then put it in the truck, make sure it fits, do all the other pieces. We bend up to 1/4 inch on it, but I'm sure it'll do way more than that. This thing's only rated for like 70 tons. So you have this control panel right here. The YP is your Y position. Y is this way, and then there's a stop. That's your X. We don't normally use that a whole lot. We don't use big enough pieces to really do that. I just input how far down I want the ram to come down. That way I can replicate the same bend over and over again. I'm not super sure as to what angle I'm going to. I can just take a piece of scrap metal and bend it. Sometimes our measurements are already written up there. That's close to what I need to be. I'll go off that and either adjust up or down to get to where I need to go.
Wide awake, but it just feels wrong. Stay in bed till the whole year's gone. Wake me up when it's over. Feel like I'm sleepwalking when you're gone. Medicate till my brain goes numb. Like a train where your feet won't run. Stuck in place, paralyzed. I feel like I'm sleepwalking when you're gone. Feel like I'm sleepwalking when you're gone.
So is that the right bend?
Yeah.
You sure?
No?
Show me.
All right, let's go check. These friggin' Hummers are not symmetrical, man.
Ah, so
Yeah.
what's off on it?
This just needs to come down more. I went off of that.
No Hummer is the same, and no side of the Hummer is the same either.
I'm figuring that out now. Yeah. Different from other vehicles for sure.
Oh yeah.
But it's cool. It's cool to see a car made of aluminum, or I should say a truck made of aluminum.
Truck.
Is it technically an SUV?
It's a Hummer.
It's a Hummer. Got it.
Yes.
A Humvee was like the first one, right?
So Humvees are always military.
Okay.
Hummers, H1s are the civilian.
Okay.
What's next?
Figure out a couple more smaller pieces that I'll weld on the side, and then just do the same process. Weld it up, rivets in a couple spots.
And what's after that?
Then we do the body sealer.
Oh,
So like
nice.
weatherproofing type stuff,
All right.
just to make sure I didn't miss anything.
You want to end it?
Do I want to end it?
In the vlog. Do you know how to end the vlog?
No.
You gotta know at least that much about
I do.
YouTube.
I'm pretty clueless, man.
Yeah.
Shit. Thanks guys for watching. Follow, like, subscribe. See you next time. Is that good?
That was good, man.
All right.